You want to see something really scary? What we're looking at here is called Apple Cedar Rust. This is something that affects cedar trees and apple trees. And what happens is there's like a little gall that is stuck to the branches of the cedar tree. And after good hard rain in the spring, these things grow on it. And it's really funky looking. This is actually a fungal disease. And the little tentacles is how it reproduces. Apparently they come out within 4 hours after a rain. And the spores will come off of that and blow around and infect other trees, to include the apple tree. Now when it infects the apple tree, it causes damage, so the orchardists do not like that. So back in the old days, before they had effective control of this, the government actually made people cut down the cedar trees on their properties. That's pretty freaky stuff, isn't it? I mean, that's just like nightmarish. What do you think? Does that make a fine cup of tea? Look at it. Isn't it hideous? Reminds me of Sideshow Bob from The Simpsons. I wonder if that's where they got the idea. Gross. But this is what it looks like underneath. You peel all the stuff off. That is the gall. Very strange stuff we have around here. That's what they look like when they're up on the cedar trees, and you can see a whole bunch of them sometime. But aren't they weird looking? They're almost like little Christmas tree ornaments from hell.